Yeah,
Do not tell me the battery's already tripping out.
My hip fire spread is crazy.
You like hip fire spread?
You guys are crossing streams, bro.
Oh, let's go. Oh.
Someone's gonna get hurt.
How did hip fire be like? Oh, yeah.
He ruined your bull hole.
Hey, guys, no, keep walking just like that.
Yeah, you like that?
Right.
Why'd you let go? It's just getting good.
No, you're right. Right. Guys, Conga train, let's go.
We're on the wrong foot, Jeff.
Wait. We're tactical, fuck boy.
Yeah. So tactical right now.
Alright, now we gotta feel like it's a whole game.
They got the pole. Where's the Cowboys shirt?
I was just worried if I was up in that state there. So I called him like, are you really not going to be
That is hot.
You'd be too busy.
Oh, I didn't grab a radio, by the way.
Copy.
Hey, no
Hold on, this is the BBC rodeo. Let's go.
Wait, I want to hop in.
You're not on the team.